Stainless Structures manufacture stainless steel profiles. Our main technique is laser welding, but together with that, we also offer extruded, hot rolled, and cold drawn profiles. And with a variety of services such as fabrication and polishing, we can offer a vast diversity of services and solutions. The ability to have a 100% carbon-free energy source was probably the most important and the final step to close our cycle of sustainability for our products in terms of being able to produce a near to zero carbon footprint product.
When we were reaching out to different solar providers, we reached out to a handful of other local providers, and Freedom Solar stood out as the easiest and the most professional to work with. For stainless structurals, we needed the project done by a certain deadline that was not normal in the industry due to the tax incentives and the time in which stainless structurals fiscal year end hits. And Freedom Solar had no issue accommodating us on that.
Nowadays, if you go online, you can find many suppliers or many self-proclaimed experts of solar power. But in reality, when you go to this size of installation investment, there are really only a handful of reliable suppliers, and I believe Freedom Solar belongs to those. Today, stainless structure can go on the market thanks to this installation with a product that is, we can say, is green, and will become the go-to supplier for sustainable solution in steel and stainless steel.